Okay, we just gave it a shot of ether. We'll see what happens on this time. Okay, now we're going to command the fuel rod pressure. Get down here to 160 MPa. And see if it can maintain. Okay, and as you can see, desired at 160, actual at 160. Anybody has any ideas on where to look next? I would greatly appreciate it.